Hi besties, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Gigi, and I am just so nervous because I'm trying so hard to use this new iPhone to make this video. So bear with me if everything is not exactly the way I might like it to be, but we are going to soldier on today. I am doing my voiceover right now without an actual microphone because I don't have a headset microphone thing that works with the iPhone, so I need to purchase one of those. So the next few videos are probably not going to have the best sound quality on my voice. But what we're doing right now in the video is mixing up some bright neon pigments into this builder gel so that we can make some pretty colors. And they're going to be very jelly-like colors, and we're going to do a little bit of marbling with them. And the reason we're going to do that is really because of January's birthstone is garnet, and it's really all of the raw garnets that I saw, and I'm really super inspired by raw gemstones. All of the raw ones I saw had very awesome variegations in the color, and you would see pinks and reds and bits of magenta and maybe even veering more into purpley colors. So I decided to just go with the pink and red aspect of it and go ahead and just do my sort of version of garnet colored, red and pink garnet colored nails. And also this set is partially to celebrate the birthday collage that everyone's doing for Mia Evans' birthday nails. The next video is part of that as well. I went on ahead and just took a picture of both my nails, or both my hands for that, because I did two sets. Now what I'm doing is just laying down a real thin base layer of a nail there so that we can build on that. And I didn't show doing all of those, but I did do, of course, that on all of the nails. And now we're just coming in and adding some color. And this is where we're going to do our marbling. We're going to go back and forth between the darker red color and the lighter, medium pink color there, and adding a little bit of that white sort of awesomeness, which is really cool because it ends up glowing a little bit in the dark. It's very pretty. Okay, so back to the collage thing. I worked really hard on the nails, and not just for the collage, but for my channel as well. And then my picture got cut to almost completely you can't even see almost any of the nails. So I feel really disappointed in the collage and disappointed that my contribution was treated that way. And this is the last time I'm going to do anything like that. So I didn't complain about it or anything. I'm not going to mention it to anyone else. I'm just going to say that right here this one time, just because I was really disappointed. I mean, anyway, it doesn't really matter in the grand scheme of things. I just felt like if you weren't going to represent everyone, don't even bother putting it in there, because I just felt really disrespected, I guess. So anyway, let's just focus on the goodness of these, and definitely happy birthday shout outs to Mia. If she sees this video, sometimes she comes by the channel and sometimes she doesn't. I love her channel, and honestly, I just need to spend more time on my nail sisters' channels. But life gets busy and I don't watch as much nail content as I want to. So, there it is. I just need to work on that. Now on this, on the pinky nail, I'm not doing a marble so much as just a swoosh of color down it, because we're going to add some glitter to that one and to the thumbnail as well. And now we're coming in with some mylar pieces in the marbled nails. Because I'm a sucker for the mylar. I love how it gives facet to the nails and how you can just see it shining and glinting under there. And it's similar to glitter, but it definitely has its own flavor, its own feeling. The way that it feels more like, you know, when you see an actual raw gemstone and it has those flat sections that will shine in a different way than the other sections do. It's that kind of feeling that I get from the mylar, and I really love that. Now on the pinky, we are doing hearts and butterflies, because even though it's winter, I just feel like I need a little springtime in my life. So I decided to bring out the butterflies. Now we are encapsulating these in some clear. Guys, the clear I'm using here is crazy. It is so crazy because I like it. It works so well and it just self-levels beautifully. If you use the holding your hand upside down trick, it practically builds the nail for you. But you have got to be so slick with your curing. This is the hottest gel I have ever used. And that is saying something because there's some hot gels out there. But I'm serious. If you have problems with heat, I definitely do. And within 2 seconds, my fingers were so hot and fiery. Guys, now we are coming in. Everything is completely shaped and filed, and we're coming in with top coat. But let me finish telling you. 2 seconds in, 5 seconds out. 2 seconds in, 5 seconds out. Or start going in where you're not really in there all the way, and then hold your hand upside down. 2 seconds in, hold your hand upside down for 5. 2 seconds in, hold your hand upside down for 5. Because guys, I'm telling you, it is so bad. It is really bad with the heat. Guys, this is, I love these nails. I absolutely adore how they came out. I love the garnet feel to them. They're very girly, they're very pink, they're very, hey, it's my birthday. So if you have a January birthday, this is the birthstone nail set for you. Go grab those pigments. I'm going to list everything down below. There wasn't really that much. It's the builder gel is Cosella. The pigments are Ownest, I think is what it was, the brand, but it'll be below. And the mylar, you can pick up mylars anywhere. The glitters, just, they're hearts and butterflies, guys. Hearts and butterflies. I don't know what else to say. They're gorgeous. There's lots of different hearts and butterflies out there. Grab the ones that make you happy and throw them in your nails. Just make it springtime. I need a little bit of springtime in my life. I don't know about you guys. There are going to be a few reveal shots at the end of this video. So please be sure to let me know what you thought of the nails before you go. Here we go with, oops. Have you ever done that? Oh my God. That was so much oil, guys. I rubbed it into both of my hands and up part of my arms. I swear. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Sit tight for those reveal shots. Let me know what you think in the comment section. We will see you Wednesday for another video. Mwah! Talk to you later. See you next time. Bye.